Hello friends, I am Dr. Binod, pediatrician from Muzaffarpur. The weather is really pleasant today. It's evening and cool. I am walking on the rooftop along with my pet Bruno, who is my constant companion. He just accompanies me during my morning and evening walk on the roof. It's surrounded with greeneries all around. Today I just want to discuss one thing here. The resources we have like 24 hours internet, Wi-Fi service, electricity, tons of digital content, breakfast and meal and lunch, dinner, everything for teenagers. Being father of a teenager girl and a teenaged boy, I just want to convey the message to all the young ones. If you have been given good opportunity by the grace of God of having all the facilities, proper breakfast, lunch, dinner, Wi-Fi, internet, mobile, iPad, and everything is having constant flow of informations 24/7. But our duty is just to check which information is useful for me or which will help in our life skills. Life skills, you all know, the skills which are essentially required to live proper life in this world. So, just because you are having all the resources does not mean that you will misutilize the resources. Time is most useful resource. We can spend money, we can give our some of the valuable items to somebody, but our most resourceful, most useful resource is time. So, each one of us should learn how to spend our time to make the life productive. If you are wasting hours and hours just in irrelevant things like whatever it could be, maybe watching TV, the political analysis, the drug abuse analysis of the latest days, some cricket game going on. So, every person definitely has different taste, they have different kind of preferences, priorities in life. But as a student, one should focus on the subjects related to them, some physical exercise, some digital skills like how to make PowerPoint, how to get mails, how to study with the help of digital gadgets, and most of the students are really up to date with the current situation, as most of the schools and colleges are running based on digital content. But my suggestion will be, don't waste your precious time in watching irrelevant things, maybe some video games, cartoons of different kind. I have never watched, so I do not have much idea. And so far success is concerned, success is just if you want something and you get it, then you are successful. But the ultimate purpose of life is not professional success only. If I am a doctor and I am having good number of patients and my own clinic, and I am having a good team of competent staff, and all my financial and all sort of needs are fulfilled. It does not mean that I have to stop learning new skills. I believe in the fact that there is no age bar for learning. We do not have to compete with anybody else, but every day we have to be our better version. That is the most important quote of life I believe in. The next day should be the better version of mine than today. So, each moment, every time we have to enhance our skills and knowledge, and especially the ones who have been left because of our busy schedule, maybe the dream from childhood or during our college life, that kind of dream must be fulfilled when we are having all the resources, including the time resource. And I am trying to fulfill all my that kind of dreams at present. Thank you. I had no intention to record, but whenever I come on my roof to walk, some ideas come into my mind and I just try to record them, to listen later on, and even to give opportunity to others by putting these records on social media, YouTube, etc. Signing out till we next meet. Thank you.